Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Family Home Kitchen. Imagine a creamy, cheesy pasta dish with the added richness of tuna. Sounds delicious, right? This comforting meal combines the simple goodness of pasta with the hearty flavors of tuna and cheese. Stay tuned to learn how to whip up this easy and delicious tuna and cheese pasta. First things first, let's gather all the ingredients needed. We'll need 250 grams of your preferred pasta, a can of tuna in oil or water, drained, 2 generous tablespoons of butter, and 2 cloves of minced garlic. You'll also need a half cup each of milk and your favorite shredded cheese. Don't forget salt and pepper to taste. If you're feeling fancy, grab some chopped parsley for garnish. With all the ingredients ready, we can now start cooking. Start by boiling your pasta according to the package instructions until it's al dente. Remember, al dente pasta has a slight bite to it, making it the perfect texture for our dish. Now here's a pro tip. Don't pour all that pasta water down the drain. Reserve about half a cup of this starchy, salty water. It's gold in the kitchen. You'll see why in a bit. While the pasta is bubbling away, let's talk about timing. It's key in cooking. You want your pasta to be ready just as your sauce is finishing up. This way, the pasta doesn't sit around getting cold and sticky. Once your pasta is perfectly al dente, drain it, but remember to keep that precious pasta water. You'll need it to adjust the consistency of your sauce later on. With the pasta cooked and drained, it's time to prepare our creamy tuna and cheese sauce. In a large pan, melt your butter over medium heat. This acts as the base of our sauce and brings a rich, creamy element that complements the flavors of the tuna and cheese beautifully. Now, we're going to infuse that melted butter with some garlic. Add your minced garlic to the pan and sauté it until it's evenly browned and fragrant. Next, it's time to introduce our star ingredient, the tuna. Grab your drained tuna and add it to the pan. Stir it with the garlic for a couple of minutes. This allows the tuna to absorb all the flavors from the garlic and butter, making it even more delicious. After the tuna's had a chance to mingle with the garlic, it's time to add our milk. Pour the milk into the pan and stir it until it's well combined with the tuna and garlic. The milk adds a lovely creaminess to the sauce and helps balance out the strong flavors of the tuna and garlic. Now, for the most indulgent part of our sauce, the cheese. Add your shredded cheese to the pan and keep stirring until it's completely melted and blended with the rest of the ingredients. The cheese brings a wonderful gooey texture to our sauce and adds a delightful cheesy flavor that pairs perfectly with the tuna. Finally, it's time to add our cooked pasta into the sauce. Add the pasta to the pan and stir it well until the pasta is fully coated with the tuna and cheese sauce. The pasta absorbs all the flavors from the sauce, making every bite a burst of flavor. If your sauce is too thick, add some of the reserved pasta water to loosen it up. The starchy pasta water helps bind the sauce and pasta together, and it also helps thin out the sauce without compromising its flavor. And there you have it, a delicious and easy to make tuna and cheese sauce that's perfect for any pasta dish. Enjoy! Now, season your pasta with salt and pepper according to your taste. The magic of seasoning lies in its ability to awaken the taste buds and enhance the natural flavors of your dish. A pinch of salt and a dash of pepper can transform your pasta from bland to grand. Remember, seasoning is a personal preference, so trust your palate. Now let's move on to plating your pasta. The art of plating is about creating a balance between colors, textures, and flavors. Lay the pasta in a shallow dish, allowing the cheese-laden strands to weave a tempting food story. Let the golden tones of the tuna and the creamy hues of the cheese create a visual feast. And for that final touch, garnish your pasta with chopped parsley if you desire. The vibrant green of the parsley not only adds a pop of color but also a fresh, herby flavor that contrasts beautifully with the rich, creamy cheese and savory tuna. There you have it, a delicious tuna and cheese pasta dish ready to be enjoyed. This dish is a testament to the fact that with a few simple ingredients and a dash of creativity, you can create a meal that is comforting, flavorful, and truly satisfying. Bon appétit! To recap, we boiled pasta, prepared a creamy tuna and cheese sauce, combined the two, and added our seasoning. Remember, it all starts with boiling your chosen pasta. Then a sauce is made by sautéing garlic and butter, adding drained tuna, milk, and grated cheese. Once the sauce is creamy, it's combined with the pasta, and seasoning is added to taste. You can also add vegetables for an extra punch of flavor and nutrition. Try this recipe at home and enjoy a satisfying meal that's both easy to prepare and packed with flavors. If you liked the video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button for all new updates in the world of cooking.